Hi, hello, welcome. In today's video we will learn how to make small plants.
Hey, everyone saw the captions and thumbnails. Needless to say,
Okay, I will tell you some important things at the end of the video. Watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. I took a small joke. I don't need its cover. Now I will put the paper pipes in it. The size of the pipes is 2 centimeters. I will stick them with the help of glue. Then I will paint. Now it's time to make the leaves of the tree. Take a piece of paper and cut it lengthwise with the help of paper scissors. If you put your mind to it, you too can make this tree.
Stop. If you see these paper pipes, this new craft is made with these pipes. You will definitely watch the video at the end of this video.
What has been said, now listen to some music. Hope you liked today's video. A few days ago I saw an old story time video of mine got 5 likes. So let's post a community. That new story time video is coming. There were 3 votes. Maybe the number of votes or likes is less, but it means a lot to me. Thank you for giving so much love to my works. See you again next Sunday. Bye bye.